Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, compass, trip computer, CD player, security system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.